I guess so.
You can see any other planes.
Oh, there's one there. Look on through my camera.
Yeah, I see it back there, but I thought that was.
I don't think that was
too low.
Yeah, that's way too low. It must have been up from those jets. Cool, where do I sign up to do that? I want to do that. What?
Oh dear God.
Yes, yes.
I got that for you.
Oh, did you? Thank you. That was quite thoughtful.
Yeah, you know.
That video is going to be so long. I'm going to have to cut it up so much. There's another video on there that's an hour long because I put it on my helmet all the way from New Jersey or from Cherry Hill to here.
How to get to Atlantic City from my house.
Yeah, right. I got somebody say one thing one time. They said, "Wow, I know where this is. I'm gonna find out where you live. I'm gonna follow you home."
Yeah, that's what I expect to happen on YouTube.
Yeah, it was really creepy.
Of course that happened on YouTube.